What kind of national banquet dish made US President Donald Trump unable to stop eating? This is Kung Pao Chicken, a must-order dish for Chinese people at restaurants. Today, I'm sharing a detailed step-by-step tutorial so you can easily make it at home. As for the signature sauce, it follows a 4-3-2-1 ratio. Many people struggle with making perfect Kung Pao chicken because they get the sauce proportions wrong. But after watching my video, your Kung Pao chicken will impress everyone. All the seasoning we are going to use today are here.
Pay attention here. In the previous mapo tofu video, we used small sky rings, but today we are using large sky rings. First, let's cut the chicken. Before cutting it into cubes, we make a few horizontal and vertical cuts on the chicken without cutting all the way through. This helps the chicken absorb the flavors better. Then cut it into small cubes. Next, we marinate the chicken cubes. 1 spoonful of cooking wine, 1 spoonful of light soy sauce, a little bit salt, a little bit white chili. Mix with your hands to ensure the chicken fully absorbs the seasoning. Now add 1 spoon of cornstarch. Adding a little bit of water helps to dilute the cornstarch. Then, mix it well to ensure each piece of chicken is lightly coated with a thin layer of starch. Finally, add a little bit of cooking oil. Stir evenly. Okay, now we move on to the most important step, the soy sauce. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4 spoonfuls of sugar, 3 spoonfuls of vinegar, 2 spoonfuls of light soy sauce, and 1 spoonful of cornstarch. Finally, add a little bit of cooking wine. Remember, this is the most important step. Then, chop some ginger, garlic, and scallion. Don't add too much. Okay, let's start cooking. First, add Sichuan peppercorns to the pan and toast them until fragrant. Lower the heat when stir-fry the dried chili peppers and stir-fry them until fragrant.
We put the chicken inside.
Now, turn the heat up.
Oh, it's really good. The chicken is changed color. Now we put the ginger and garlic inside. Green onions.
We add a little bit of chili powder to enhance the red color and add more fragrance. Now, add our soy sauce. Coat each piece of chicken evenly with the sauce. Stir fry for 15 seconds. Then add the peanuts. Give it a final toss and it's ready to serve. And just like that, the authentic Kung Pao chicken is ready. Remember my 4-3-2-1 formula. It's your secret to foolproof perfection.
That's all. It's Kung Pao chicken. Sweet, spicy, yummy, and packed with flavor. If you love Sichuan cuisine, give this recipe a try and let me know how it turns out in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a new Chinese recipe. Okay, guys, see you in next video. Bye bye.